Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi A5 boot with a flat battery. First, find the mechanical key inside your key fob. This small, often overlooked key is essential for manual access. Next, locate the keyhole, usually above the license plate or near the boot handle. Insert the mechanical key and turn it firmly to manually release the boot latch. This action should allow you to open the boot. Once the boot is open, you'll need to access the battery. In many Audi A5 models, the battery is conveniently located within the boot itself, often under a floor panel. If not there, check under the rear seat. Gently remove any carpeting or trim panels to reveal the battery. Use a 10mm wrench to loosen the negative terminal first, then the positive terminal to safely disconnect it. To get power, you can jump-start your Audi A5. Connect the positive jumper cable to the positive terminal of your dead battery, then to the positive terminal of a working battery. Next, attach the negative cable to the working battery's negative terminal. Finally, connect the other end of the negative cable to a good ground point on your Audi, like a metal engine component, not directly to the dead battery's negative terminal. After charging or jump-starting, carefully reconnect the battery terminals. Always attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Ensure all connections are secure. Close the boot and test your remote key fob and all other electrical systems to confirm everything is working correctly. To prevent future flat battery issues, especially if your car sits for long periods, consider investing in a trickle charger.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.